thanks so much for signing up for this month's Little Movers and Shakers Whisks program. So today I have a baking rhyme to share with you, and Froggy is going to be my baby. So go ahead and pull your babies onto your lap, and we are going to make a pancake. Ready? Mix a pancake, stir a pancake, pop it in a pan. Fry a pancake, toss a pancake, catch it if you can. Good job, you guys. Let's go ahead and do it one more time. Let's go. Mix a pancake, stir a pancake, pop it in a pan. Fry a pancake, toss a pancake, catch it if you can. Very good job. I hope you enjoy playing with your whisks this week, and I'll see you next time. Bye.